Hey everybody, this is going to be the lead into the actual fitting of the outer rocker panel video. So we've been working on that today. Right now I'm shooting this at about 2:30 in the morning before I go crawling to bed to come back out here and start up at it again. So, but you can see, the hole is kind of halfway fixed. I've welded in all new metal here, and I've got most of the contour back where it's supposed to be. The notch and everything is back in there, and fitting this lower rear rocker. So tomorrow I get to put the front one on and we'll be welding her up. So I think it's time to get to bed so I can get back at it. Try something different. All right. Well, you can see my super scientific application of my holes for my new spot welds. Yeah, I'm proponent, and a couple extra is better than not enough. Might have got the good out of that one. Okay, now I think I'm going to do 3 holes in each panel for my spot welds, and then a hole down there. Well, not much to report tonight. This is all zinced. It's ready to go on. I gotta start blacksmithing it into place. And I got the back of it rust treated and painted. And this thing doesn't fit worth a crap, but I'll make it work. All right, well, it's fitted in place. Time to send it home. And all the places where I screwed up. I missed my cuts in a couple spots. Had to do fillets because this thing's kind of ridiculous, but it's going to look great. You know, all right, it looks better. There's a rocker panel there. So let's get to welding. Well, no video for this part of the evolution. Basically, took me every pair of vice grips I had or could dig out. A lot of profanity. And about 3 hours of bending things. And there is just so much welding, grinding left to do to get it in here right. It's solid, but I got to fill up all those voids and grind everything down, make everything smooth before I finalize it. But fit, bad. Oh my God. Whoever, and all panels are like this. This is the third, fourth project I've done the last couple of years. Every panel I got fit like crap. Absolutely every panel just didn't want to line up with anything. So it's no worse than usual. But I'm fairly certain the dies are worn out, and whoever did the die work, they basically gave him a picture of a Tahoe on a napkin and scribbled on a bar napkin, told him to go at it. This sucks. Well, I'm about midway through getting this rocker on this side. Well, I'm more than midway through getting it on. I've got the whole rocker on. I'm about midway through knocking out all the welding. You can see here, that one looks pretty good. Fit was, as you can expect, horrendous. Up here, I ran out of welder gas. These are not as bad as they look. They're all solid except for that little pocket. I've just been welding, grinding them down, trying to profile this in as much as I can. This dog leg did not fit worth a darn. But everything's in there solid. I got to go down underneath and weld the bottom up and finish that middle pillar. But it's all structural now. Fit wasn't the greatest, but we're getting there. Thinking about, we have a slight quandary. I realize I'm a ways away from this, but closer than we think. You know, the other side's not going to take nearly as long. Do I go and get auto paint from TP Tools and borrow money that I probably can't pay back? Do I get the Duplicolor pre-mixed from AutoZone and hope for the best? Or do I go full redneck and do the best job I can with Rust-Oleum from the farm store? That is the question. Well, there's everything welded in. Not going to get too close a shot of my nasty grinding. It is what it is. I'm going to fill in any of the rest of it with all metal filler and smooth it out to match the profile. So not as good as I wanted, but a lot better than it was. So, you know, like I said before, do the next one better. So we'll keep going from here. Going to get back at it.